Alright guys, so we got a update for the retro PC build. I encountered some issues with the old setup, especially with the motherboard. I ended up sending all the parts back because the motherboard was faulty. Also I had some issues with the RAM modules, and I picked up, instead of searching for a new motherboard, I picked up a working computer, which is it's in great shape, despite some small dust in the case. But other than that, it looks very good. Cooler has only minor dust, is not clogged with dust. Power supply is a 550 watt unit. I will swap this out. I mounted a test graphics card. It has a 500 gig hard drive, a Western Digital Blue with 100% health, 4 gigs of RAM, and it's working. It's passed all my tests. I will be swapping this power supply with a 600 watt RaidMax Vortex power supply with white efficiency certification. I will be adding some more RAM, hopefully another 8 gig module, or maybe I will swap it out for a 16 gig DDR3 kit. All right. And also I will be checking for a graphics card, preferably an NVIDIA Quadro graphics card or a ATI FirePro graphics card, because these are some used graphics cards with decent gaming performances, which you can find for cheap online. Also, I will add a 2.5 SSD drive for the operating system, and also I will do a case swap. This case swap, this case is in pristine condition, no dents, no scratches, nothing. It's like brand new. I just have to clean off the dust. But I will use this case for a future build, a Pentium 3 build, because I have some old parts lying around from a good friend of mine, a brother, so to say. I didn't get the occasion to test out the parts, but I want to make an old retro gaming system, and from my point of view, this type of case fits perfectly the 2005-2010 era for the case, which is pretty close to the 2000-2005 era of the Pentium 3. All right, so next up, I will do a short unboxing for the Vortex power supply, and I also received the power supply tester. I will do some voltage checks also, and yeah, till next time, keep in touch.